So in order to begin LWGLD1 pre-provisioning for GPS, you want to come here to the desktop. You'll receive the CSV file, the site survey CSV file via email, and you can load that onto a flash drive and then plug it into this port here. Make sure that this light is on, meaning that this USB is enabled. And then you'll want to go back to the desktop, open up that drive like so, and you'll see here that we have PO number 888. We'll take that and drop it into this folder on the desktop called Site Surveys. So I'll do that, and that should be good to go. You can open this up to verify. So there's our PO 888. Next step, we'll open up the actual program. So double click this icon, and then you'll see this start screen, and press enter to continue. So this is the main menu of the provisioning system. The first thing you'll want to do is select a company using option number 1, and this will be defined by the PO that you receive from Alexa. So we'll select number 1, and then the list of companies comes up here. You can scroll. In this case, for this example, we're going to select this option here. So to do so, we just type in 5, enter. And you'll see we now have a selected company. Next step will be to select a location, and again, this will be defined in the email that Alexa provides you. So again, for this example, I'm going to choose number 4, and then you'll see the menu changes to these options. So the primary option you'll be using is number 3, process site survey, and then you'll see that it wants the name of the file. So we don't have to worry about folders or anything here, you just want to put in the file name. So in our case, we did PO888.csv, click enter, and now the file is loaded. And so at this point, we're ready to go and actually scan devices out of our fresh devices palette, and that will provision those with the system. So to demonstrate that, you'll see scan LWGLD1 device ID. So I'm going to pull out a fresh sensor, and what we'll do is scan the code on the back of that. I'm going to show the screen here. Okay, so the sensor is now added, and you'll see that it actually printed out a label. So then you'll want to take this label and peel that off and apply it to the leak detector in approximately that location. And then we'll continue on to the rest of the devices. So we would pull out the next device here. We'll scan. There we go. Get the next label. So pull that off and continue the process. And you can also, if something does go wrong, you can use a few options to help yourself out, maybe retrying the last device using the letter R. In this case, we can't go back because we're already on the next room. We can also use X to just exit this, or we can skip devices that we don't want to provision, like so. So see, finish processing site survey, and then we press enter, and we're back at the main menu.